Green candles are believed to possess magical properties that can enhance various aspects of your life, including luck, prosperity, personal growth, and fertility. The color green symbolizes growth and abundance, making it a popular choice for rituals aimed at attracting financial success and personal healing. To effectively use a green candle, it's recommended to clarify your goals. Choose a favorable day for your ritual, like Fridays or during the new moon. Dress the candle with oil while focusing on what you want to manifest, and create a simple chant or spell. As you perform your ritual, visualize your desired outcomes, and pay attention to the candle's flame and aura for signs of success or messages from beyond. Different shades of green can also influence your ritual. Dark green connects you to nature, while light green fosters spiritual growth.